Hello everybody, welcome back to We Love Food. Do you want to know what's the easiest soup you can make? For me, the easiest soup you can make is leek and potato soup. This soup takes only a few ingredients, it takes only about 15 minutes to make. It can be very delicious, very filling. My children love it, so I thought I'll give it a try today. So let's see how we do it. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna prepare all the vegetables. That takes a few minutes. So we have here 3 large leek. We are about to prepare the vegetables. We have leek, we have some celery, we have onion, we have some garlic and potatoes. We have some chives for decorating, and we have butter. We've got some salt and pepper, and we've got some double cream. We start by preparing all the vegetables. We are supposed to use only the white part of the leek, so we keep this on the side. So let's start cooking then. We have here the pan. We first have to melt the butter. We have here the butter. We melt the butter in a large saucepan. We melt the butter in a large saucepan and we add the onion. We add the garlic. We are going to add the celery as well. There is no easier soup than this. It's very, very easy. We're going to mix it a bit. We're going to add the celery now. There we go. Give it a nice stir. Now we're going to cover it with a lid and just stir occasionally. There we go. So after 15 minutes we're going to give it a mix again, and now it's time to add the vegetable stock. We have added here the vegetable stock and the potatoes. We're going to bring this to boil. We're going to reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, everything is nice and soft. We're about to blend this and serve it with your favorite bread. So we are going to take the blender and we're going to blend this just here. This should be fine. And then we're going to add the cream. We're going to add the salt and pepper. There we go. It looks very nice, looks very creamy. We're going to serve this now. Now we're going to add some chives, garnish. This is potato soup, Baba. This is very yummy. You like it? Thank you very much for watching this video. It took a bit longer than we actually expected, but it's worth it. It's delicious. So I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you'll make it at home yourself. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.